Hello guys, how are you today? In this video, I'm going to review a game called Sky, Children of the Light. First, I'll give you guys a short explanation of this game. This game was released on 18th July 2019 and it was called Sky. Let's wait. The genre of this game is adventure, one of my favorite game types besides combat-based game. And that's the reason why I'm reviewing this game. The company that created this game is That Game Company, which already created a lot of great games, for example Journey and Flower. That Game Company is like a big brother to Giant Squid Company that created Abzu, which is an adventure game too. From now on, I will call Sky Children of the Light shortly to be Sky. It is mind-blowing that they managed to optimize this game to be playable and runs well on a tiny touchscreen display that we have right now, considering this game can overheat some phone. For several years, people want That Game Company to make the mobile version of Journey, and here we are. They made an entire game exclusively for mobile. Sky's graphic and storyline is very good, so they won the Best Apple Store of 2019 award. It has good cutscenes and an unrated story, so we can arrange it by ourselves. For example, look at this ancient story. Long time ago, people were prayed and worshipped the stars. Then the stars fell to the ground. The ancient people took and brought them to a new civilization. You might find the winged lights. It has a children's shape. Don't be too terrified. It will help you with your journey. To make things unique and simple, there is a system which helps you navigate the world of the sky. Just press your character and there will be a cute sound coming out from your character. Sky needs a good performance to be playable. You can play this game with Android 8.1, 64-bit with Neon. Just keep in mind that 32-bit devices never run Sky, and at least 2 gigabits of RAMs. Sky is like any other games. It has an event system called Season. You can find it in PUBG or Mobile Legends. The thing that makes Sky unique is, you have to find spirit and trade with them to get good rewards. Here I'll show you how to find spirits and trade with them. If you find a blue spirit or ghost, you can relive the spirit with a candle and follow the spirit memory. And you will get an emote as a gift for reliving them. I found this spirit at Island of Dawn and I got a cool pointing finger emote. Then I found another one at this place and I trade some of my candles for this headgear. You can equip cosmetics on the spawn point. There are 7 maps that you can try and unlock. Each map has its own environment and special feature. There are Island of Dawn, Daylight Prayer, Hidden Forest, Valley of Triumph, the Golden Wasteland, Vault of Knowledge, and Eye of Eden. There are lots of areas that people don't visit often, like the Sanctuary in Daylight Prayer, the Village of Dream in Valley of Triumph, and Forgotten Ark in the Golden Wasteland. There are some spirits and winged lights there. Make sure to check it out. You might find the flying mechanism a bit difficult. You need to exercise and get used to it. There are 2 flying modes, which make you fly and glide faster. There are a few hostile creatures like crab and krill. Yeah, that big floating shrimp. If you get spotted by one of the krill, you are doomed. You will lose a winged light and energy which made the journey a little bit spiced up and harder. You can avoid them by reliving the spirit on the first Golden Wasteland stage, which teach you how to play that. So, if you get spotted by one of those krill, you can spam the emote and voila! You are safe to continue your journey. If you are still not confident enough to continue the Cold Wasteland and Eye of Eden, you can always search for stranger help, just like what I'm doing right now. Overall, the gameplay and graphic make it into my top 3 games I have ever played. It is a good game with a nice ending. 8 out of 10.